Romex cable is a type of non-metallic sheath cable commonly used in residential electrical installations and is available with different jacket thicknesses and materials. The thickness of the jacket can impact its durability and resistance to mechanical damage. The most common type of jacket material is PVC polyvinyl chloride, offering good flexibility and durability. Another type of jacket is LSCH, low smoke zero halogen. This jacket material produces minimal smoke and emits little halogen gas when exposed to fire, making it safer for use in enclosed or hazardous areas. Armored Romex cable with an armored jacket is protected by a layer of metal, providing additional protection against impact and crushing. Romex cable with a 6/3 configuration typically has a thicker jacket than 14 or 12 gauge Romex because it carries a higher electrical current. However, the thickness of the jacket can vary depending on the manufacturer and the intended application. In some cases, the 6/3 Romex cable may have a thin jacket due to manufacturing defects. Occasionally, production errors can result in thinner jackets. Cost reduction is another cause. Some manufacturers may opt for thinner jackets to reduce material costs. Improper handling is a factor too. Rough handling during shipping or installation can damage the jacket. A thin jacket can be concerning for several reasons. Firstly, reduced durability. A thin jacket is more susceptible to tearing and damage. Secondly, safety hazards. If the jacket is torn or punctured, the exposed conductors could create electrical hazards. Thirdly, code violations. Electrical codes may require a certain jacket thickness for safety reasons. Before using any Romex cable, thoroughly inspect the jacket for any damage or thin spots. Use caution during installation. Handle the cable gently to avoid tearing the jacket. If any damage to the jacket is noticed, repair it with electrical tape or shrink tubing. If there are concerns about the thickness or durability of a particular Romex cable, contact the manufacturer for assistance. By following these recommendations, the safety and reliability of electrical installations can be ensured.